Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to safely remove a Ford Ranger airbag. First, safety is paramount. Always begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Use an 8mm socket for this crucial step. After disconnecting, it is vital to wait for at least 15 to 30 minutes. This allows any stored electrical energy within the airbag system to fully dissipate, preventing accidental deployment. Before handling the airbag, touch a metal part of the vehicle to discharge any static electricity from your body. Now that safety precautions are in place, let's access the airbag. On either side of your Ford Ranger's steering wheel, you will find two small plastic caps. These are typically located near the 3 and 9 o'clock positions. Gently use a small flat blade screwdriver to carefully pry these caps off. They are designed to pop out, revealing the fasteners underneath that secure the airbag module to the steering wheel. Take your time to avoid scratching the steering wheel trim. With the caps removed, you will now see the fasteners. For many Ford Ranger models, these are two 8mm bolts that secure the airbag. Use your 8mm socket and ratchet to carefully loosen and remove these bolts. In some variations, you might need to insert a flat blade screwdriver into small holes to release spring-loaded retaining clips. Once the fasteners are disengaged, gently pull the airbag module straight out from the steering wheel, just enough to access the wiring behind it. Finally, it's time to disconnect the airbag's electrical harness. Locate the yellow electrical connector at the back of the airbag module. Press the small release tab or slide the safety lock, then carefully pull the connector apart. Once disconnected, place the airbag face up in a safe, clean area. To reinstall, simply reverse these steps. Reconnect the electrical plug, secure the airbag with its fasteners, replace the caps, and finally, reconnect your vehicle's negative battery terminal. Always double-check all connections for security.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.